In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule an appointment with GoBank online, your updated guide for 2025. Navigating online banking can sometimes feel overwhelming, but with a few straightforward steps, you'll easily set up an appointment with GoBank's customer service. First, you'll want to begin by visiting the GoBank website. Simply type www.gobank.com into your browser's address bar and hit enter. Once the home page loads, you'll notice a range of options and information clearly displayed. When you find yourself on the GoBank homepage, your next step is to locate the Help section. This is conveniently situated at the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on Help will reveal a drop-down menu. You're going to want to select Chat with Us from the list of options. This step is crucial because this is where you'll communicate your appointment needs. Once you enter the chat window, explain to the representative that you'd like to schedule a time for someone to call or chat with you. Be sure to provide a few different time windows that work for you and specify whether you prefer the contact to be by phone or chat. It's worth noting that GoBank's chat support is available from 5 a.m. to 9 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so make sure your time slots fall within these hours for a smoother scheduling process. If this doesn't fully resolve your request, don't worry. You can return to the Help drop-down options and click on Contact Us. This action will bring up additional contact information, including GoBank's mailing address and relevant contact numbers. Dial the appropriate support number, which varies depending on your specific GoBank card. When you get connected, or if you're navigating through a menu, ask the representative if they can set up a callback at a time that suits you better. Before you dive into either the chat or call options, you're going to want to be clear and prepared. When requesting the appointment, clarity is your best friend. Share your issue concisely, lay out your availability, and let them know your preferred method of contact. Having your account information ready, such as the last 4 digits of your card and your name, can speed up the process. This allows the customer service representative to quickly verify your account and be better equipped to provide the assistance you need. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to successfully schedule an appointment with GoBank online. If you keep these steps in mind, you'll find the process to be quite straightforward, ensuring your banking experience remains smooth and hassle-free. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more banking and finance tips. Thanks for watching.